Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin now. Make sure the case and AirPods have at least partial charge and keep them inside. Close the lid for 30s, then reopen while holding the case near your iPhone. Next, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and choose Forget this device for your AirPods. This removes the previous pairing and prevents automatic reconnection. Once done, you're ready to run the hardware reset that clears pairing info and restores default behavior. With the lid open and the case next to you, press and hold the circular setup button on the back. Hold for about 15s until the status light flashes amber and then white. This sequence indicates the internal Bluetooth cache and pairing records were erased. Keep the case on a stable surface and don't move the AirPods out while holding the button because interrupting the cycle can leave them in an unpaired state. Once you see the white flash, release the button and proceed. After the white flash, keep the case open and bring it close to your iPhone or other device. A pairing card should appear. Tap Connect and follow prompts to repair. Test audio and controls to confirm the reset worked and that sensors and spatial audio behave correctly. Make sure firmware and iOS are up to date if issues persist. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, fully drain the case and AirPods, charge them to 100%. Then repeat the reset. This clears any stubborn power cycle faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.